Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, Warren County Family and Consumer Sciences Agent, and today we're going to be talking about the farmers market. Right now we're entering the peak of farmers market season. Farmers have been working so hard to bring us fresh produce to our communities. If you've never shopped at the farmers market, it might seem a little intimidating, or maybe it might just feel more convenient to go to your grocery store. But there's so many benefits to shopping local, and we're going to talk about a few of those benefits today. First, shopping at the farmers market keeps your food dollars in your community. You know that your food dollar is going right back to the farmer to support their families and their families that work for them, as well as keeping their farm thriving for generations to come. Second, you know where your food is coming from. You know your food is fresh. It didn't travel from somewhere miles away to get to you. It's been picked at peak freshness, so it's full of flavor and nutrients. Produce is usually picked the day before or that morning when shopping at the market. And third, you get a one-on-one experience with the farmer. Shopping at the farmers market allows you to connect with local farmers who are bringing their produce from their farm to your table. Shopping at the market gives you the opportunity to connect with your community in a special way. You can ask questions like how it was grown, and it gives you the opportunity to have a conversation. A few resources that we have for the community as you enter farmers market season is our Kentucky Proud Produce Availability Chart. The chart allows you to see what produce is in season and what you can expect to find at the market. Second is our Recipe of the Day calendar. This calendar is so neat and gives you recipe ideas that include in-season produce. The online calendar also provides links to recipes and video demonstrations. We are so fortunate in that we have 3 wonderful farmers markets here in Warren County. First, we have Bowling Green Original Farmers Market located off Scottsville Road in front of the old Hobby Lobby parking lot. Second, Community Farmers Market located off Nashville Road near Western South Campus. And finally, SOKY Marketplace located downtown underneath the Pavilion. In the spirit of using fresh produce, I am going to show you how to make a delicious and quick Asian Asparagus Salad that's featured in our Recipe of the Day calendar. The first thing I started off with was a pound of fresh asparagus. I then broke off the ends and discarded them and washed the remaining stalks. I then sliced them into about 1.5 inch pieces. After I sliced all of my asparagus, I blanched the asparagus for 1 to 3 minutes in boiling water until bright green in color. I then cooled immediately under cold water and drained. So now I'm going to make a delicious dressing that goes on top of our asparagus. First, I'm going to combine 1.5 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Next, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Now I'm just going to whisk all of this together. And the great thing about blanching the asparagus is that it's going to make them tender but still crispy. Now I'm going to pour my delicious dressing on top of my asparagus. So the recipe actually calls for me to put this in a Ziploc baggie and chill it for about 30 minutes. I didn't have a Ziploc baggie, so I'm just going to pop the lid on this, chill it for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to have a delicious dish to serve as a side. If you have any questions about the produce availability chart or the recipe of the day calendar, give us a call at the Warren County Extension Office or contact your local Extension office. Thanks for watching and have a great day.